Hello everyone, welcome to SOP Academy. So the results for the Infosys online assessment which were held in the last week of December, that is on 23rd December, 24th December and 26th December, and some other days also have been released today. So people who have got selection mail, they have started receiving the mail from today evening around 7 p.m. So people are getting the emails, that is the selection mails, at different times. Some are getting late in the night, late, that is around 8:39. So they are still sending the selection mails. So if you have not got the selection mail, then no need to worry. You will be getting the selection mails by tomorrow also. uh, let us talk about the rejection mails. So once Infosys rolls out all the selection mails, then after that only they will start sending the rejection mails. So some people were asking whether they send rejection mails or not. So yes, they always send rejection mails, but only after they have sent all the selection mails. So you can wait till tomorrow. Till tomorrow, most probably all the people will get the selection mails, whoever are selected. So the cutoff, as you already know, around you can say 60 to 70% of the highest marks that ones have scored uh, in each round, you can say, or each section. So according to that, people have been getting the selection mail. So before the getting the selection mail also, people know that they have cleared the cutoff or not according to the previous year data that we have. So if you have seen that email, or you have calculated your marks, and if you have cleared the cutoff according to the previous year data, then you will surely get the selection mail. You just have to wait for a few hours and a few days, like one day, and after that you will surely receive the selection mail. The rejection mails will also be sent, as already said. The other thing is that soon, within 2 weeks, you will get the mails for the interviews. So you must start preparing from tomorrow onwards only. Those who have got selection mail, you should immediately start preparing for the interviews, that is the technical and HR interview, because half of the competition is already out in the first round itself, that is the online assessment. Like only around 40 to 50% people are able to clear the first round. So if you have got the selection mail, then you have very high chance of selection, because these days companies are hiring in bulk, as you all know. The hiring is going on in very fast pace. So it is a good opportunity. If you have got the selection mail, then you must start preparing for the interviews. For the interviews, you can see the interview experiences of different people who have already been selected in Infosys. So you can check those videos, or you can search on Google as well about the Infosys interview experience. I will also be sharing some interview experiences on this channel. So if you would like to see those interview experiences, then you can subscribe to this channel. So this type of email you will be getting from Infosys either today in the night, or most probably tomorrow only, because in the night they normally don't send selection mails. So you will get this by tomorrow. It says Infosys off-campus recruitment drive. You have been shortlisted for interview run, and they will write, hello, thank you for participating in off-campus recruitment drive and taking out the time to appear in the Infosys online test. We are happy to inform you that your profile has been shortlisted for the interview round. The interview will be conducted initially, virtually, and it will assess your technical and behavioral skills. So you have to focus on your technical as well as behavioral skills. For technical, whatever you have written in your resume, you must be well versed with each and every technology that you have mentioned. And behavioral skills, mostly in HR round, they will judge you on your communication and your behavioral skills. And after the interviews are done, you will soon receive the LOI and offer letter. So first, you should first focus on preparing for the interviews. So that is all for this video. Do not worry, you will receive the selection mail soon. So thank you very much. See you soon in the next video.